The world is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence isn't the future anymore, it's the present. Every single day, new AI tools are transforming the way we create, work, and make money online. Welcome to AI RAPTOR, where humans and AI evolve together. Here at AI RAPTOR, our mission is simple: to help you understand and use artificial intelligence to improve your life. Whether you want to build digital income, create stunning videos, design AI art, or just stay ahead of the next big wave, you're in the right place. And so we're not here to sell hype or impossible promises. We're here to share real strategies, real tools, and real results, tested by creators and entrepreneurs around the world. Every week you'll find content focused on 4 key areas. First, the most powerful AI tools that actually work. Second, step-by-step tutorials to automate your workflow. Third, methods to generate income with AI, even if you're just starting. And finally, reviews and experiments where we test everything so you don't waste time or money. You'll also see real case studies. We have people who built YouTube channels, ebooks, and online businesses powered entirely by AI. Now we'll break down what made them successful, what mistakes they made, and how you can apply the same strategies, step by step on trade. There are thousands of AI channels out there, but what makes AI RAPTOR different is that we combine technical knowledge with practical strategy and a mindset for success. Because technology alone won't change your life, action will spark. We believe in clarity, transparency, and growth, not fake motivation or empty promises. Our mission is to build a community of creators who learn, test, and grow together. AI is not replacing people. It's empowering those who know how to use it. In the next decade, people who master AI will have an advantage in business, creativity, marketing, and even education. And this channel will be your guide through that transformation. We're here to prove that artificial intelligence isn't about machines taking over. It's about humans unlocking their full potential with the help of machines. So if you're ready to be part of this revolution, subscribe now, turn on notifications, and start your journey with us, because the future is already here and it belongs to those who take action. This is AI RAPTOR, where humans and AI evolve as one.